I first came across Lorg Media in May 2016 when I started working here, and I sat alongside the Lorg Media team who conducted all their business in Irish. They planned their client activities in Irish and they executed their client activities in Irish. They're using a traditional Irish language and they're using very modern social media techniques to get the message out there for their clients. Tá Meáin Shóisialta.
Hi, is Meáin le Gaeilge, Tugann Lorg Media, agus tá an Gaeilge mar chríolóir chulachúirta dhéanamh muid seo Lorg Media. Tá Gaeilge lífe ag an bhfoireann ar fad, agus is cuma má tá muid pléile imeachtaí, má tá muid ar na Meáin Shóisialta, má tá daoine nua ag obair linn, déanam muid an Gaeilge chuir chun cían a gúna. Agus tugann muid misneach agus muinneáin go dhaoine is cuma fiú man bhfuil mór an Gaeilge acab.
Gur margus and sláinte agus fóilte went down well.
Ní mé stick an báid inniu ag dul trasna an Atlantic, tá mé i gré.
Agus nuair tá muid ag agrú imeachtaí, déanam muid iirecht an Gaeilge a chuir chun cían a gúnaí go mbeadh sé feiceálach, go mbíonn daoine le Gaeilge páirteáin agus chomáile sin bhíonn Gaeilge ag an bhfoireann ar fad ar an láthair.
Meáin Shóisialta agus bím sa gobar le Lorg Media ar na Meáin Shóisialta. Bím sa gobar le go leor comhlachtaí defriúla agus déanam gcónaí iirecht an Gaeilge a chur chun cinn. Tá sé mar chuid dún agus bím gcónaí géirí í a chaomhnú.
Hello, is Meáin Shóisialta, bhí me dear gobar le Lorg Media, bhí me duine go leor fógraí, graficí agus go leor eile an na Meáin Shóisialta.
My name is Caitlin. I work for This is Galway. We share an office space with Lorg Media. Coming over from the States, I'd never really heard anyone speak Irish before, but they're chatting away in it every day. So it's been really cool to be able to hear an Indigenous language every day. I think it's something that most people don't get to experience. It's kind of inspired my boss and I to incorporate a little bit of Irish language into our everyday work. So, tá sé iontach.